You might be making a lot of purchases from Amazon and Flipkart, but do you know where all of those transactions are stored? Hey, you would say it is database. It's very simple. But managing that database is not at all simple. It is almost like managing and planning your own wedding. You will have to do a lot of things. You will have to find a good venue, find a good caterer, take care of decorations, manage your guest list, manage gifts. On top of it, any one of it doesn't work out, you would be running here and there and managing all the hassle. And to save you from all of this, you have wedding planners who does all of this thing for you and you pay them a small amount of money. Similarly, managing database is an almost equivalently hard task. You have to find out the right servers. You have to manage the license. You have to take care of disaster recovery. You have to take care of replication. You have to make sure you make software patches, upgrades, security fixes, and whatnot. Don't even start about auto scaling, like scaling up and scaling down based on demand. You have to do all of this database planning. And now there is a database planner for you very similar to the wedding planner. And this database planner is no one other than AWS RDS. RDS is basically Relational Database Service. It's basically a service offered by AWS and it offers you database as a service. Like how wedding planning is being offered as a service, AWS offers to you database as a service. Let's quickly look at what all RDS offers you. First thing, you need not worry about servers. Just a few clicks and AWS will take care of choosing the right server, right hard disk, right storage and spinning up your database in just few seconds time. They will automatically take care of applying security patches, upgrades. They will also automatically take care of disaster recovery, replication to other region and all of those things for you. On top of it, RDS also gives you out-of-the-box integration with IAM for authentication and security purposes. If you do not know about IAM, check out this previous link video of ours. Not only IAM, RDS also gives you monitoring, alerting, and even recommendations based on your usage on what configurations you can tweak either to get better performance or to save on your cost. And RDS comes with a lot of flexibility. It allows you to launch a database with various different database engines. It could be Oracle, it could be PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Aurora, whatever you want. You can choose them all just from a few clicks into the UI. And on top of it, it also gives you customization based on your usage pattern. Whether you have extremely high usage pattern, high frequency usage, high amount of input and output, or you want to save on the cost. You get all of this different flexibility when you are launching a database with AWS RDS. What you learned now, that's the basic of RDS. If you love this video, do subscribe to our channel so that you can learn about many more AWS services all under 5 minutes. Thank you and catch you in the next video. Bye bye.